Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to know how to create your own fun flipbook animations in Canva? Click the Create button. In the search bar, type Book and press Enter. Browse through the available options, then select the book template you want to use to start your new project. Select either the booklet option or the alternative provided. Once you've made your choice, look for the template section and select it. This will allow you to access a variety of preset designs you can use for your project. I've already selected and added this document, which contains 13 pages. You can see it here, with the title displayed as South. This shows the book has been successfully uploaded and is now available in your library. After selecting the Korea Travel Guide, you'll have the option to edit the content if needed, or simply save your changes. Click the Save button to confirm your selection and complete the process. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the Save as PDF option to get the best quality for printing. Click Download to start saving your file. Once your PDF is ready, you can use another website to turn it into a flipbook. Go to fliptml5.com and begin the process. To use the Flipbook service, you need to register, but you can sign up easily with your Gmail account. There is no cost involved. Creating a flipbook on this website is completely free. Now your PDF document can be presented as an interactive, professional-looking flipbook online. Use your Gmail account to sign in. Next, go to the Upload section. Click Upload, then select the file you want to upload from your device. Wait for the upload to complete before continuing. Upload your booklet here after creating it in Canva. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the output generated automatically. Here's an example of what your finished booklet will look like after processing, so you can verify that everything appears as expected before moving on to the next step. That's it, you've successfully created a flipbook using Canva. Your design is now ready to share or download. Use the available options to export your flipbook as a PDF or share it directly with your audience online. Select the HTML file and choose Flip option. You just learned how to make a flipbook in Canva. Like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly design tips.